Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. So let's get into it. Number 1. Update the Instagram app. If you have issues with Instagram Notes not showing up on your account, you can upgrade Instagram to the most recent version available. Number 2. Create a list of close friends. The Instagram Notes feature is dependent on closed friends. You need to create a list to show it. Open Instagram. Click the profile picture on the bottom screen. You will see 3 horizontal lines for the menu on the right. Choose the Close Friends option here. Add a few pals to the list you have marked as close. Select Done. Number 3. Change your location. The function isn't available in all areas, so if it is not available in your location, you can use a VPN and change your location to the area where the feature is offered. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.